My favorite girl out of content. Oh my god, fam. This one is kam'ron, I swear to you. kam'ron, let's go.
Any bleeding. Here, check it out. Wow, Mio, you're right. They're all squishy.
Nothing wrong about that, huh? Keep watching, fam. Keep watching.
Squishy, squishy, squishy. Squishy, squishy. Are you?
Okay. Alright. Nothing wrong with that.
About done. No, let me squeeze them some more.
And there you go. Demonetized. I'm just kidding. Yeah, these videos are not for, kids. Just not really kid friendly, is it? No, not really for kids. For, young adults. AKA, like 8, 7, 16 on up. 15. If you think about it, I'm being honest. If you're like 18 on up, this majority of your kind of videos. Hell, 15, all the way up. Because, they're not kids. They're like teenagers. 15. Say it with me. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Consider to be a goddamn adult. My videos are not for, young adults, young viewers. I'm just being honest with you. After like, 12, you're basically a preteen. So you're turning 13, so it's fine. Now, that's all I can show you, and that's all I'm going to show you. See you later.